Hey guys, it's crazy outside. Okay, guys, I just got back from school. I had to put my phone in a bag and tape some so it doesn't get wet. So I have some bad news here in Sarko. Sarko right now is bad. Oh, I've got mosquito. It's crazy. I need to get some mosquito. Okay, I'll show you. Let's get this guy. Ooh. Okay, now let's go outside. It is crazy. Buckets out there. Okay. Looks a little weird, but I'm gonna need these. It is bad out there. I just have no battery symbol. Look at these. Getting them on. Okay, let's go. Oh gosh, it looks like it's yellow outside because I have these yellow goggles on. Okay guys, we're out. Vision goggles. There's outside. Okay, I know it doesn't sound crazy right now because I'm going to show you the crazy part. You're not even close to seeing the crazy part. I need to go back here. Let's go. Let's get that. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys it. Look at that puddle. It's bad. Okay, look. Watch my foot. It is like half the size of my boot. Yeah, and it's still raining like crazy, and we still have a lot more. Look. Watch this. I'm sticking my foot in a puddle. Look. I had to put some boots on because it is currently crazy. Okay. This is not... Okay, here. I'm in the very backyard. Slide. Oh, jeez. Look at this. But if you lift this bad up, dang. Ooh, watch this. That is a deep puddle. Watch this one. I'm just going to kind of... This is the backyard. It's all drenched. Okay. There's that. I took off that for a minute. That's not even close, guys. Let me show you guys a lot more. Okay, guys. Oh my. Ooh, how am I supposed to cross that? Huh? That. It's insane. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, great. Okay, that was only some. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I love this storm. It's crazy, but honestly, this is probably like the best storm I've got yet. Insert crazy weather 2021. Crazy. Oh, yeah, this is a good one here. Look at this. It's only swing. Under that, these are just so deep puddles. Look at that. That's deep for now. It's only April. What is it? April 7th? Yeah, it's April 7th. Ugh. Back over to the crazy part.